In this short video, you'll learn how to customize the text of a Rise Vision presentation. First, log into your risevision.com account. If you haven't already created a presentation to work with, select the Add Presentation button and choose a template you would like to modify. On the right-hand side, you'll see a preview of what the presentation will look like on your display, and on the left-hand side, a number of components that you can edit. If you want to edit the text, simply click on the text box itself in the preview, and then change the text by either double-clicking on it once again, or by changing the text in the text box on the left. You can also change the font style and sizing of the text by selecting the appropriate options on the left-hand side, or even the styling and alignment by clicking the provided buttons. If you want to add a new font to the listing, go to the font setting and select Add Font. You'll now have the option to provide a new font based on a URL link or upload a font file. Once completed, click the Publish button at the upper right in order to show your presentation on a display.